मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा।
Subscribe now.
Be careful, Babuji.
Hey, Shahrukh Khan, you handle yours.
No, I won't drink it. Babu dear, you have to drink the milk. Please wait. No, Mom.
Hey, Jetya, catch him. Hey, caught him.
Here you go, Bapuji. What is this, Bapuji? He ran away again, huh?
Caught him.
No.
Here, take this, Jetya.
Babuji. Yeah.
Hey, why are you drinking milk? Tapu just ran away.
Hi.
I got him.
Hey, Tapula, drinking milk gives you strength.
Gogi, you? And Sonu, you? Both of you? Unbelievable. Today again the entire Tapu Sena was forced to drink milk.
Yuck! We don't like drinking milk at all.
Then why do our parents force us to drink milk?
Because milk comes to the house, that's why. Idea! From tomorrow, no milk will come to our homes.
Impossible, Tapu.
Don't underestimate Tapu.
Yay, Tapu Sena!
Gives me milk, my Buffy, and with a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk with a dark face and red hair. Where did the lion's roar come from?
Go, my dear lime, go.
Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! Oh my god! Oh my goodness, save me! Save me! What is this? Oh, it's just a dog.
Babuji, today also we have to make Tapu Sena drink milk somehow.
Yes, Jetya.
Oh, he's coming.
Attention! Tapu is ready! I will drink milk, drink milk! Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Mommy! Give me milk!
Tapu, are you feeling all right?
Yes, Papa, I'm perfectly fine. What happened? Huh?
Because today you are asking for the milk to drink by yourself, son.
Grandpa says that drinking milk gives you strength.
Jaya, bring the milk.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey.
Here it is. The milk. Huh?
Here, give it quickly.
Oh, the milk hasn't come today.
What? Then what is there in the glass?
It's empty.
Ah, I'm saved.
Huh? Then why are you roaming around with an empty glass?
Tappu's father, if you don't see the empty glass, how will you know that the milk hasn't arrived today?
Oh.
Mom, I really felt like drinking milk today. The milk didn't come today. Let's go play. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right.
Buffy gives me milk, a dark face and red hair. Buffy gives me milk. Huh?
Friends, today our wolf will scare away Uncle Bunsy. Huh?
Huh? Moti! Hey, Moti, my son!
Our plan had failed. Uncle Bunsy turned out to be very smart.
Hey! Hey!
He brought a dog even bigger than our dog.
La 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 la. Moti! Hey, Moti!
This plan of ours has failed, Tappu. We will have to drink milk again today.
To solve the problem, we must go to the root of the problem. Let's go to Uncle Bunsy's stable.
Hey, dear! I love Buffy more than my own children. You also take good care of her, understand? I will return from the village by tomorrow evening, okay?
You go without worry, master. I will take good care of her. Ah.
Did you hear that? Uncle Bunsy is going to the village.
Tomorrow we will kidnap Buffy and take her away.
Yes, if the bamboo's gone, the flute can't play.
What does that mean, Sonu?
It means no buffalo, so no milk.
Yes.
Bathe Buffy every day and don't tie her up. Buffy doesn't like to be tied up.
She's a strange buffalo.
And yes, never call Buffy a buffalo or she will get annoyed.
You should have told me
This first, master.
Oh my goodness, I won't spare you. I am telling you. My name is Harya. Harya. Did you hear me or not, you buffalo? Oh no, she's chasing me.
Huh?
Buffy. Dear Buffy. Oh, how lovely you are. Now the fun will begin. You are throwing me around a lot, huh? Now try throwing me, you black buffalo. Huh? Say Buffy. Don't say buffalo. If I don't call a buffalo, what else should I call it, huh?
Oh no, he tied Buffy up. Kapu, now how will we kidnap Buffy?
Now I will neither bathe you, nor I will give you anything to eat. And I will not untie you also. Just stay tied up here, hungry and thirsty, you damn buffalo.
Friends, we shouldn't kidnap Buffy. We should help her. Yes, but Harya will catch us. Oh, don't underestimate Tappu. Yeah.
Huh? Oh no, all the milk is spilled. What do I do now? What happened? How did my milk spill? Oh no. Huh?
Hey, how did she get free? Kids, where did these kids come from?
Hey, wait! Where are you running? Huh?
Hey, somebody help me! Hey, thank you, Buffy.
You killed me. First, let me tie up this buffalo very nicely. Then I'll teach you all a proper lesson. You devilish kids! Huh? Oh my God, she threw me down again. Today I will not spare you, you buffalo.
Hey, look there! Harya is running after Buffy to beat her up.
Come on, let's run away from here.
No, friends. We have to save Buffy. Let's go. No.
Help!
Stop! You can't hit Buffy.
Huh? After Buffy, it's your turn now. You devilish kids. No!
Take this.
Come on, get out of here.
Hey, Gogi, what are you doing? Let's go.
Oh man, it's so hot today.
Yes, Tappu. Buffy must be feeling very hot too. I hope she doesn't get sick.
We should give Buffy a bath.
But how will we bring so much of water?
We can't bring the water here, but we can take Buffy to the water, right?
Hey,
Yes.
that's a great idea. Let's go.
Oh no, sorry sir.
Hey, sir, did Buffy go out here?
Yes, but it's been a while since she has went out.
How long?
About 5-6 hours.
What? 5-6 hours?
But Buffy left the stable 2 hours ago.
Here it has been gone for 5-6 hours. The heat has made things terrible.
Exactly which Buffy are you talking about? I am talking about Bansi Kaka's Buffy.
Buffy is Buffy. What's the difference between its Bansi Kakas or Vilchu Kakas? Look, the electricity doesn't come, but how high the bill is.
Here I'm talking about Buffy. I
Eh?
am talking about the buffalo named Buffy.
No, Buffy, stop! Stop!
have you seen any buffalo passing by here?
I haven't seen a buffalo leaving, but I have definitely seen a buffalo coming.
Meaning?
Oh, Buffy! Wait. First, let me check if there are any guards around. The moment you see anyone coming, just let me know. Yeah! Yeah!
Tappu, you guards are coming this way.
Oh no! Hey Buffy, come on, hurry up! Come on!
Quickly hit this buffalo with sticks and shoo it away.
Hey Tappu!
Wipe up properly. Buffy might catch a cold.
So the buffalo is tied up, and here goes her fans. Where are you running? Oh, Master, these mischievous children have kidnapped Buffy.
Don't you lie, Harya. I have heard everything. You have troubled my Buffy a lot, understood? I know these children have saved my Buffy's life.
Well done, Tapu Sena.
You have all done a wonderful job, kids.
Harya, I will not spare you.
Stay away, Master, or else I won't spare you either.
This buffalo, with the help of these kids,
Have beaten me badly. I won't spare them.
chutney out of you.
No, Sodi uncle. This is our fight. This is a matter of Tapu Sena's honor.
Huh?
Yes, you can do this, kids.
What's this? They are all defeated in one go.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh dear, my goodness.
Hey, haven't you had milk, huh?
Yes, yes.
Hey! 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 Hey, Tapu! Oh, wow, Tapu.
Ta-da!
Oh, instead of butter lentils, now I'll have to eat ball lentils.
Let it be, Grandpa. We are also ball kids, right?
Here you go, Dad. Today's newspaper.
Hey, Jetya, you are giving me this newspaper as if you have won a trophy.
Eh?
In a fight between Jetha and a lion, Jetha won. Give me.
No, no!
Dad! Oh, daughter-in-law.
Hit the brakes, Daya. Hit the brakes.
Tapu's dad, my brother Sundar is coming.
If your brother is handsome, he should go to modeling. Why is he coming here?
No, Tapu's dad. Don't say anything to my brother Sundar. He's coming by train, and you should go to the airport to pick him up.
If he's coming by train, then why go to the airport?
You will only get an auto at the airport because there is an auto strike today.
Dad, let's go. Let's pick up Uncle from the train station.
Is your uncle a dream that he'll only come up to the station? Can't he come any further than that? People like Sundar are meant to be dropped off at the station, not to be picked up.
Huh? Bapuji, look.
I should quietly slip away to the shop.
Hey, Jetya.
If Dad isn't there, won't Tapu go to the station to pick up his uncle?
That's right. You are my only dear child.
Aha! I am saying that Tapu won't go. You go, Mom. Huh? Come on, quietly. Oh, what is this, Mom? Oh.
Now the world will slay with joy because Dr. Gulati's invention will cause a sensation. I am taking this flying auto for a trial. Only then it will be ready for the world. 20 kilometers from the east, 40 kilometers from the north. Abdul's shop is my mark. My flying auto here only will be parked.
Oh my goodness me! It seems we won't get any auto today. I will tell my brother Sundar to go back to Ahmedabad and come back tomorrow again.
Mom, look, there is an open-air auto.
Upendra's auto?
An open-air auto, Mom.
The auto driver isn't visible here. I will drive the auto now to bring my brother home.
Huh?
Why there is a sound? You're fine, right?
Oh, yes.
My dear son.
Mom! Mom, wait!
Oh God, this is so much fun! Yay!
Bye.
Popeye G!
Dayachi, apply the brakes. Oh no.
Please, Mom, drive slowly.
Here you go, sir. Soda with a dash of lemon.
No! Hey, run!
Hey, mister, at least pay my money. Drank my soda for free and broke the glass on top of that.
Mister, here a 60-degree right, 90-degree left. According to my Pythagoras theorem, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Where is my invention? The mixture of metal. Go.
Hey, what are you trying to say?
Hey, where is my auto rickshaw?
Oh, Dayachi, it's good that you started driving auto rickshaw part-time. Nowadays, it's very difficult to get an auto rickshaw.
So DG! Please help! This auto rickshaw isn't stopping!
Oh no! I'll stop it right away.
Come on, Sodi uncle, run fast, faster.
Sodi Ji, please do something! Do something!
Hey, Mom, who's driving the auto rickshaw?
Auto!
Oi! Oi! Come on, the path is clear now. Hey, what should I do with this auto? How do I stop it? Oh, idea!
Hey, what's happening?
How do we stop this?
Oh God!
Hey, somebody stop the auto, or else I'll shake the whole ride.
Gogi, Goli, Sonu, you all come inside. It's lots of fun.
I will shake the whole ride.
So, uncle, did the work shake? You drive auto rickshaw very well.
That's it, dear. While rolling chapatis at home, I thought I should drive auto rickshaw
Yes!
Wait, I'm also coming.
Let's go, Gogi, once more. Yes.
Hey, my son Gogi turned out to be a star kid. He got launched at such a young age. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah.
So DG, please move.
Oh wow! This is a flying auto! Ha
Oh dear, Dad. Oh God, my papad. Dad, my papad.
Madhvi, take this.
Huh? Oh wow.
While I'm at it, I'll gather the clothes too.
Yeah.
Passengers, please pay attention. 2 doors in front, 2 doors in back.
Hey, Sonu, what are you saying?
This is how we talk in the air. I have seen on TV.
Now watch this!
Yay! Oh wow, Tapuda! I am having so much fun!
It is back. Oh no.
Yay! Ha! Woohoo! Yay! Woohoo!
Hooray! Yay!
Hey, look over there, a flying rickshaw.
Ah, no! Cancel! Cancel! Cancel!
Yay! Now let's try this! Mom, I will catch you!
Wow, Tapuda! What a catch!
Hooray!
Oh, this is your shop only, Anjali ji, Babita ji.
Okay, please pack it.
Anjali! Babita! Bargain little more. He sells this sari at a high price.
Nowadays, I'm hearing their voice. Do living people also have ghosts? Rita reporter doesn't show any fake news. That auto is flying and a man is hanging on behind. All this is fake. Huh? Wait. It's real. This news is real. Don't change the channel.
Nowadays, who knows what kind of news keeps coming? Hey, Baga, look. This looks like our own market, right?
Not just market, Sethi. This flying mistress and the children also seems to be known.
What?
Hi, Dad!
What are you doing in the auto, Tapu?
Dad, we are going to station to pick up Sundar uncle.
Oh, son, let it land first. You will take him inside from the plane itself.
Jethalal, just let me get down once. Then see, I will shake your whole world. Just remember that. Hey, Goli, what are you doing?
Sir, your world was shaken, right?
Huh?
Hey, Tapo! What are you doing up there?
Mom! Look, there's Sundar uncle.
My brother
Sister!
Sundar is here.
Turn the auto quickly. Oh, Mom! Come inside.
I will try to stop it now.
Mom!
Oh no! What are you guys doing? Oh no!
Oh, no!
Can someone help?
Oh, Daya, what are you doing?
Tapo, the button has G and O written on it. Should I press it?
No! Press the button next to it.
Okay, the one in which MISSILE is written.
No!
Then okay, I will press this button.
What is written on
It
it?
says reject. Oh.
I'm unable to hold on.
Indian burger.
You killed it, Tapu. Oh. Huh? Oh. 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 Oh.
Oh, you are back again. Stop. Come here and tell me, according to theorem number 3 in formula number 511, who broke what is made by mixing H2SO4 and H2O?
What are you trying to say?
Who broke my auto rickshaw? Did you? Did you? Did you break?
There is no one ahead, my dear brother-in-law. It's you, and you will only pay for all the damages done.
Yes, Tapu's dad. Dad, after paying for damages, please come home very quickly. Today I have made that for you.
That what?
Oh, that thing which is round and brownish.
You made stones for me, huh?
Oh no, the one that is eaten with dumb.
With them, a beating. Oh, Daya, that's enough now. Let's go home.
Cook some potatoes or something. I'm hungry.
Oh yes, those same potatoes. Let's go and eat potato curry. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Are you all hidden? I am coming. Okay, Sonu is hiding here. I will catch her now. Gotcha! Hello!
Wow!
Candlelight Garba has made my heart so happy. What do you say, Tapu's dad?
What have you done, Daya? Hey! Hey, Daya! Daya, listen, Daya! Daya! Stop dancing in your dream and light this candle, man.
Oh, it was a dream.
Yes. Yes.
It was so amazing.
Hey, man, we are not here to do candlelight Garba. We have come here to find out why the power is out in the society.
Did a dancing ghost possess Daya auntie?
Here, take this. Huh?
These mosquitoes are so annoying.
Uncle, on your nose. It's sitting on your nose, uncle. Now it's on your head, uncle.
Let's blow out the candles. Hey, Hathi, be careful, man. What is this?
Sorry, Jethalal.
It's okay, it's okay. Huh?
Hey, Pene, I wanted to blow out my candle.
Easy, guys.
How funny these people are.
Come on, since the power is back, let's go and sleep comfortably. Let's go, let's go.
Today I will have fun with the pranksters. I will definitely scare the Tappu Sena. I will definitely do it. I will shake the world.
What is this? The power went out again?
Now I'll teach them a lesson.
Looks like you all got badly scared. How did I scare you? Huh? I scared the Tappu Sena today. Got so scared just by this. When I was your age, I used to go and hide in dark places alone during hide and seek. And then there's you guys.
Popat uncle, don't laugh so much. If we had scared you, you also would have scared like us. Yes.
That's true. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a coward like you guys. Cowardly kids. But it was so much fun. Did you see Sonu's face? Cowardly kids.
Popat uncle is the Tappu Sena's next target. Now there is only one mission to scare the guts out of him. Yeah!
Come on, journalist Popatlal. Today's work is finished. It's completely deserted. Looks like I got too late at the office today. What happened to this light? Seems I have to go home quickly.
Come on, Tappu Sena, let the mission begin.
Today's news is done. Just hope there is no problem overnight. Who's making this sound like a water spray? Is it a fountain? It seems someone is following me. I can hear voices, but can't see anyone. I can't figure out if this is the sound of my footsteps or someone else. Is the dancing ghost really appeared? Save me. I gather the courage to look back. What should I do? Where should I go?
Yes, Tappu Sena. So, Popat uncle, we scared you, didn't we?
Tappu Sena. I wasn't scared. I just slipped on this banana skin and fell down. Nothing else. It's not that easy to scare Popat uncle. Go now. Go to your homes. Go.
The banana peel saved you today, but we will see how long you can escape.
The kids really scared me today.
Quietly follow me. Sonu, start.
I will tear your umbrella into pieces.
Who's it? Who's it? Who's that enemy with my umbrella? It seems it was a bad dream. Who's it? Who's it? Nowadays, even dreams feel like they are in 3D. Now this light has started turning on and off too. Let me drink some water.
The Trinity Coast.
But Uncle got scared.
Got scared.
But Uncle got scared. But Uncle got scared. He isn't scared. He fell asleep.
What? But this was a foolproof plan.
Looks like Popat Uncle doesn't get scared for real.
I have one last idea that will definitely scare Popat Uncle. Let's scare him tomorrow. Looking at him, I'm feeling sleepy too. Let's rest today. Tomorrow we will definitely scare Popat Uncle.
I don't know what other tricks they will try on me. These kids have scared me so much that I can't tell if the ghost is real or fake. I don't know who might appear from where. Who's it? Who's it? Who's it? I will shake the world. Who's it? Who's it? Let me quickly slip into the house. Who knows who might come from where? Let's go.
Gogi has been giving a signal.
Oh, Gogi, look, I'm giving the signal.
Now the lights have also gone out.
Double ghost attack alert!
Goli, what are you eating? Let's go. Oh my God.
Goli is something else.
There's no one here.
Get up change. Setup change.
Yes, mission is on. Why do these two look like third-grade ghosts from a second-hand film? Popo Uncle will surely get scared and won't laugh, right, Tippo?
This is a foolproof plan, Sanu, which is also working.
Yeah.
Hey, forget the kids. These days, even the crows don't sleep on you at night. Who's that? Dancing ghost. I think he's gone. Let's go.
Oh, wow! Popo Uncle's world has been shaken. Golly, go this way, right in front of Popo Uncle.
The final part of the plan.
I can't see anyone anywhere. Where did they go? Where did they go? Huh? Who just bumped into me? There is no one visible here. No. What wrong I have done to you all? Now what has happened? Oh my God, what all is going to happen to me today? This is a strange place. Oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Why are these ghosts increasing in number again and again?
You are not afraid of us ghosts, so we are increasing our fear.
Oh, who said I'm not scared? I'm very scared of you all. I'm very scared. I'm very scared of every single thing. No. I don't know what wrong I have done to ghosts. Everywhere I look, I see only ghosts. Please stop. Just stop. Just stop. I haven't slept for 2 days out of fear. I don't even remember when I last ate food.
Why, Puppet Uncle? Did your world get shaken?
It means you are a little scared, right?
Little? Oh, Lord! I'm very scared of all things.
Did you see Tapu's plan? Poppet Uncle's voice seems to be shaken a bit too much.